Hi, in today's video, we will explore how Lantana Tea Rinses can help you grow your hair faster and healthier. Let's get into the video. This plant you are seeing here is called Lantana Camara or wild sage. Lantana tea helps stimulate hair growth and strengthen hair follicles, potentially reducing hair loss. Also alleviating conditions like dandruff and itchiness due to its compounds. I got a handful of it, washed it very well, and then I added hot water to it. And then I covered it for some time to infuse into the water. If you are fighting with slow hair growth and you are looking for a natural remedy to enhance your hair growth, this tea is for you. Use it as a tea rinse. That is, you use it to rinse your hair after you have conditioned your hair. You can also use it as a tea spray to moisturize your hair. I use this spray on every wash day to rinse my hair after I have washed my hair and then condition my hair. After some few hours, this is how the tea is looking like. I then strain it off, and then after straining, I now have my water for my tea rinse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you plan to try Lantana Camara tea for your hair. I will see you in my next one. Bye.